here, Ashley, and I'm back to do another video. And this video is going to be a little mini Bath and Body Works haul and the things that I got during their semi-annual sale. So on Boxing Day, I went to the mall and I'm like, I have to go into Bath & Body Works because they sent me that email saying that they're having their semi-annual sale and they have like really big sales. So I went to the mall and I went in there and I got a few things. I didn't get too much things just because, one, I was there with my stroller because, you know, I had my daughter with me, and the store was so packed, and it was like the people did not want me to maneuver around the store with my stroller because all of like the customers were just going crazy, and I'm saying excuse me, and the people don't even want to let me pass. And then second of all, the line was so long, and I was like, Lord, I do not want my daughter to start bawling while I'm in this line and then I'm gonna have to leave. So I just picked up some things really quickly, trying to get out of that store as fast as I could. So I'm gonna start with the lotions that I got, and I pretty much got like 2 of everything. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off with the 24-hour ultra moisture Shea body cream, and the first one I got is called Bourbon Strawberry and Vanilla, and it looks just like this. And these creams are so moisturizing. Like, this is not gonna make you ashy, none at all, for like 24 hours. It is so good, and obviously it smells really good. It does smell like strawberry and vanilla, just a tiny hint of vanilla, but it smells very fruity. So yes, I absolutely love this. And I also got the Georgia Peach and Sweet Tea. I've never tried this one before, so I thought that I would just go ahead and give it a try. And it does smell like peach. It actually smells really good, and I just love fruity scents, especially like when I'm going to bed, because I don't know, it just makes me feel so nice and cozy, and obviously my husband likes it too, so yeah. And I also got some of their regular like body lotions, so of course I had to get Sensual Amber. This is legit one of my favorite Bath and Body Works scents. Like, it just smells so good. I can't even explain to you guys what it smells like, but it just has such a nice smell. Like oh my gosh, I've used this lotion like when I was working before I took like my maternity leave, and people are always asking me, oh my god, what are you wearing, what is that? And I'm like, it is my lotion. So yeah, that smells really good. And then I also got the Georgia Peach and Sweet Tea in the lotion, so I got like 2 of the same scents, just like in the different lotions. So yeah, I thought that I would try this out also. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on to the body washes, because I love Bath and Body Works shower gels. Like, oh my gosh, it's like the most amazing shower ever. The whole bathroom smells nice, I smell nice, it is just a nice party. So of course I had to get Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is my all-time favorite body wash from Bath and Body Works. This smells amazing, and I got it in the regular edition, and I also got it in the holiday edition. I got this because the packaging was just too pretty. Like, I couldn't leave it. Like, this just looked so nice. So yeah, these are my favorite body washes. These smell absolutely amazing. You guys have to go and make sure you get your hands on the Japanese Cherry Blossom. The whole collection of that fragrance smells amazing. The body mist sprays and the lotions of it also smell really good. So make sure you guys go and check it out. And then I also got 2 body mists. I just felt like I should get them, although I have so many. I have like a pretty big perfume collection already. I thought, you know what, might as well just get 2 of these also. So I got the Velvet Sugar, and I actually got this for the first time for my birthday back in April, and it smelled really nice, so I decided to get it again. It has a nice sweet scent to it. And then I also got Mad About You. It was in like a clearance bin. It was like 75% off, so I paid like $3 or $4 for this. So yeah, I just thought I would check it out. It has a pretty decent scent. It doesn't smell that bad. Yeah, it just has an okay scent. Nothing to go mad about, but I mean, it's not that bad. And then of course I had to get some of their mini collection because I love to just pop these in my purse when I'm going out. So I got 2 of the Wild Madagascar vanilla lotions, and I just love the packaging of this. They're just so nice and compact and small, and I just pop these in my bag so I always have lotion on me. And then I also got the matching body mist also, because vanilla is my favorite scent. Like, anything vanilla fragranced or scented is like my legit favorite. So of course I just got the Madagascar vanilla. So yes, those are the things that I got at the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. Just a few items, but this will last me a good while until they have their next semi-annual sale, or until maybe they have another sale so I can, you know, stock up a little bit more. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my Bath and Body Works haul, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye!